How's it going, everybody? Back in with another video. As you can tell by the title, as usual, you know what we're doing. And we got my boy Che here with me, as per usual. As you can see, he's in a t-shirt right now, so you know what that means. It's hot, which means he brought back out a media. We washed everything, that's why the place is a mess. We washed everything, but we do have a couple items for the car to throw on today. I haven't seen this car in a while because it's been in hibernation, but we're back to get working on it. So yeah, what'd you get for them?
Got a nice little trunk lip. Nice little trunk lip bought from Extreme Parts. Shout out to them. Got a diffuser gonna add. Maybe not today. Running low on time. And that's about it for now.
Oh yeah, so go ahead and open that thing up and let's go ahead and see how she looks. Throw it on. Is it? So it's not painted, is it? Like gloss black? No, it's not. It looks like your empty bumper. Haven't seen the empty bumper video? Link right there. Go take a look at that. You want a blade? Can that help?
Yeah, let's get a blade.
All right. Well, technical difficulties. We'll be back.
Yeah. Oh, yo, downtown, no scratch it. That's why I'm pushing it up. Yo, you wanna know why it's taking you so long to cut it?
What are you doing? Marco, chillax, bro.
Here.
Let Marco do it. Let Marco do it. He's a.
How are you gonna cut yourself?
Fam, how much you holding so much blades? You're supposed to have one blade. What the hell?
Yeah, all of them.
Fam, what? This guy had 5 blades? Yo, you're crazy, fam. Yeah. Yo, do it. Okay, come do it out here. Do it out here. Do it out here. Do it out here. Off my car. Get off my car. This guy's out here cutting with 5 blades. This guy. Oh, he's you know he's learning. He's learning. You gotta learn.
And the jizzy's right nigga.
Come, other side, other side. It's easier to cut the other side.
Thank you. Bob's your uncle.
Why you gotta say what I say? Tell me how to say that.
Why not?
Alright, so let's go ahead and see how she looks on the car. Put it on.
That's a pretty big blade, I don't know. I fucking like it.
Looks, you guys heard it first. He effing likes it. It's clean. It's nice. It's almost like a duckbill kind of style. It's nice.
I'm enjoying it already.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get that 3M, line it up, and then boom, Bob's your uncle. See, I say that. Guys, always prep your surfaces before you work on stuff. You know? Clean it off. At the right side? Yeah. I guess you could drill it in if you really wanted to, eh?
Yeah, but I plan on changing this eventually.
Oh, you heard it here first. Spoiler alert. Spoiler.
Real spoiler alert, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, damn. You're so punny. So punny. This guy. Alright.
Let's get that tape.
You know where it goes?
I'm gonna line it up like this.
No, I mean, you know where the tape goes on the thing?
Shit, I didn't think about that now.
Go on. Do you have to take off? You're gonna scratch your car. Let me make you guys some ASMR. You guys are satisfied. He's got out of my head, bro. Alright guys, this is the wing. Well, this is a lip spoiler on the car now. Looks pretty good, honestly. We can see all the like We can see it. You can see all the extra tape and stuff like that. We're just trying it out. He's gonna drive it for a week like this. In a week, we're gonna pull it off and redo it again because we're you know, he's learning. So gotta give him his workman hours, you know, because he needs the workman hours to be certified shop boy. So he has to get his hours in. He's getting them, you know. Come along, it's looking nice, but yeah. What else we got again? We got a diffuser for this thing?
Yeah, we got a diffuser. We're gonna do that next time.
Yeah, because they got us go play ball. You know? So yeah. Diffuser in like the next clip. See you guys in a bit. Alright, y'all, so we're just getting right into this. Clearly, he just wants to talk, he just wants to get it done. The second part of the video, we're at Trey's place, you know what I mean? This guy's installing his diffuser. Yeah, he's installing the diffuser. This camera doesn't want to focus, I don't know why, but yeah. So far it's looking nice. No car jacked up on jack stands. We have chocks in the front. We're being safe, guys, don't worry. But yeah. Y'all, we've had this car at my house how many times? We still haven't checked if it's LSD or not. We had it up in the air, and we pulled it down. So we're gonna jack it back up because we're gonna see if it's LSD or not. We need to know. He wants to drift. He wants to slide this thing. So let's see if it's LSD or not. Back up she goes. Y'all can see how low this guy is. So damn low. I don't know. I remember I used to want to be this low, but not anymore. This guy is like, look at this. This guy's just low. God, I want to be as low.
He's just mad I'm gonna gap him later. No L's all summer.
This guy's talking. So another video is talking shit. Just wait. But yeah, so we're about to pull this car out and see how it looks. We want to see how it looks on the car and should have fixes to do, but yeah. It was 6 speed, right? You're so low, you're dragging the freaking wheel chocks. Okay. X5 is my best daily ever. Look at all this space. You should have seen yesterday. Pull her out, let's see it. This guy has his winter beater and his race car side by side. He's living life. Okay. Looks decent. I think it may be off. I don't know, maybe because of the exhaust. I don't know. I think it may be off. Maybe my eyes are bad. But you can't even see it. Oh, there you go. It's small. It's subtle. It's subtle and it's small. But yeah, we have to fix. Definitely have to fix that side there. So it's up more like the middle. And yeah, this is pretty clean. I think he get some more attachments for the sides and stuff. But no, it looks pretty decent. What do you think about it, sir? You like it? Where's this guy? Huh?
I just want to walk in front to this.
You go in front, nigga. It's your video. Yeah, yo, honestly, my God, is it center or am I blind or something?
I didn't know. I was trying to make it.
Okay, well, when you come up next time, or if I bring it to Joel, we'll see if maybe next time we'll measure and shit. But
because it looks like it's almost centered, but not just.
It looks like it's a little odd, but then again, the muffler as well, because it's not like a full flat surface. So like, it could be just because the muffler. You know what I mean?
True. If anything, I would have to move it over a couple of inches.
To the right? Yeah, which is late. So again, when we pull it off, we have the things to the back bumper anyways, and we pull the wing off. Well, yeah, so we're not touching this today. The wing, we have some plans for this car, so we're gonna take it off anyways, and then we'll put it back on properly with 3M and all that stuff. So it still looks Looks good. You don't really notice anything, but yeah. Yeah, so we'll fix that. This is on. It looks nice. So we have to fix the corners.
Gotta make sure the wind's on right on the diffuser, because you're gonna be seeing a lot of that this summer.
Those guys talking so much. I'm dead. Yeah, the car looks clean, man. Holy. It's down here so dark with the car being all like almost black. Holy crap. You can't even see anything. Yeah, it looks sick still. Alright, y'all, so thank you for tuning into the video. This guy installed his lip spoiler, lip wing?
Diffuser.
He installed the diffuser and his lip spoilers, or lip trunk spoiler. So he installed, and he's loving it. More mods coming soon. Happy guy.